What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are in Orange. Yeah, we're about to hit up the Orange Nike outlet, guys. Bosco's already in line. I just parked my car. Yeah, see if we can find some deals, you guys. Hope we could get lucky. I haven't seen much of the Nike outlets lately. Let's see if we can find something. Oh dang, Bosco actually, dang, line's pretty long. So Bosco actually made it pretty far out. What's up? Alright guys, we are in, you guys. Yeah, sorry I didn't consistently put out videos the last week or two. Yeah, my work schedule is crazy. I ended up working, I think, 12 days straight. I think I did 140 hours in 12 days straight. So, alright, we are back though. So, yeah, let's go see what's up. I think we got 30% off clearance. Do have a lot of sales in the apparel section as well. Let's see what's up, you guys. See what's up. We are starting out in the back. I did say what's up to the homie Enrique. Yeah, let's go see what we got. See if we see anything crazy. Not expecting too much, to be honest, because all the Nike outlets have been a little bit dry. So yeah, let's see what's up. I'm on my way to the 10s. A little packed over there, so I'm kind of being a little patient. 9.5 right here. You got the Shocks BB4. It's 30% off. So 65, 30% off. Not too bad. Not too bad. If I got the Olympic colorways at that price, I probably would get it. So we'll see what we find, you guys. All right, finally in the size 10, we are seeing a bunch of these. These are the Kobe's, Adapt Nxt Ff. These are the fast. So we are checking out the size 10s, you guys. Got the Phantom React Flyknits, go for $75. It is 30% off. Got these going for $100. That's a clean pair, man. I kind of like those. What are these? The Odyssey React Flyknit 2s going for 30% off. Was that $35? Holy crap. The Kyries 6s, what are these going for? $70. And that's the size 10.5. Metcon 4s go for $70, 10.5. LeBron Witness 3s go for $50. You got plenty of these. I'll go for $200. You do get that 30% off. These are size 11s. Whoa, we seen these at the clearance center for $100. They're going for $220. Oh, even with the 30% off. Wow. You got the Pegasus 34s. That's a weird colorway. Yeah, it's old as hell. I'm surprised they still got these. Yeah, they're going for $45. What are these? Oh, size 12s go for $100 right here. KD Trey 5s go for $50. Not really seeing much, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, excuse me. Not really seeing much. What are these? The React Flyknit 2s go for $60. That's actually a solid price. Special 30% off. You got the Alpha Dunks right here. Go for $80. Yeah, it's the size 12. What is this? It's one of the Ice PAs. This is size 11 though, but what is this? Now this is definitely not needed in California, or Southern California at least. What's up? Yeah, these are definitely a specialty shoe, but I guess it covers your entire calf, I guess? That's interesting. And they're not even cheap either. Going for that full retail. It's Nike Drifter Gator ISPs. Oh, okay. $220. Dude, got some Jordans. Oh, these are the Max R's. Still trying to get $120. That's interesting. Size 12. Bigfoot Gang size 13 right here. Yeah, there's equally dearth of a selection. Got the Element 55s going for $90. Romeo 13s. Right, these old ones here going for $80. Got the Kyries. We've seen these in quite a few sizes. I forgot to show them. This is a size 14 going for $70. 30% off. Pretty decent, especially for hoops. The Zoom Flies going for $45. This is Lunar Lawn. This is not the Flyknit though, so probably not the model that you guys want. That's about it, you guys. Let's go see what's up with the small sizes. Now we're checking 9.5 and smaller now. See what's up. That is a lot of those Tailwinds. All go for $100. Is this the Have a Nike Day? Yeah, Have a Nike Day Air Max 95. Going for $130. Okay. Seeing a lot of the same stuff over and over. The Metcon 4s go for $70. What is these? The Drop Types? Drop Types go for $85. What the heck? Kill Shot Leathers going for $90. What is this? What the heck? The Air Zoom Heroes. These are specifically made for tennis. Going for $90, size 9. Not seeing much, you guys. Not seeing much. React Metcons. These are no laces. Going for $80, size 9. 720s. Going for $110. Size 8.5. Pegasus 36 Sky Kusos go for $110. You still doing your live stream?
Yes, indeed.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
indeed. I didn't know he was there. But,
Huh?
yeah, I found something for Piet.
Oh, okay.
So so good.
Oh, got some, oh, doing apparel too? Okay, okay.
Yeah, it's a dope little Jordan sweater.
That's what's
Got
up.
the branding on
Yeah.
the side.
Could you guys hit him up if you guys need something? Don't hit me up because I don't do pickups. I'm too lazy. I keep reminding everybody, but I don't do pickups. Sorry, guys. So confusing whenever I see the PGs. I go for 90. We've seen these as low as like 50 bucks, like $40 at some of the retail shops. Just weird. The 270s, Mars 270s, go for $60. Dang, if that's what you like, dang, 30% off, dude, that's a hell of a deal. Wow. In the size 8s now, got the Air Max 90s right here. That's a hell of an interesting one. Go for $140 to get that 30% off. It looks like it was a return. Got some Blazer mids going for $80. Really good price with the 30% off, the 7.5. So you got some of the Toon Squad LeBron lows. Go for 1.7 size 8. Still got these here, $80 for these, size 8 of Tempo 95s. Zoom Freak 2s going for $130. Size 8. Okay, got some Kyries here. 109 for those, 7.5. 109.99 for that as well. Right next to it, Air Max 95 going for $100. Solid price. Still in the 7.5. $70 for these. Pretty dope. We know that the new ones are coming out. That's why they're cheap. Air Max 90s going for $90. 30% off. Size 7 though. Pretty much a kid size. Mamba Fury, size 4. Why is it size 4 in the men's section? I always get tripped out when I see that. Size 5.5. They got these. The More Than an Athlete LeBron 17. That's about it for the small sizes. Let's go see what's up in the aisles, you guys. All right, let's go see what they got in the aisles. I'm pretty curious. Do got these, the Air type, the Zoom types, you guys. Wow, I'm surprised to see these. We did see these in the clearance section in Westlake. But yeah, it's making its way in most of the other stores. That's pretty dope, dude. I'm so curious to see how these feel. I know the upper isn't, like the material feels really good, but I know it's not, doesn't seem like too secure. But the bottom right there, man, the midsole, you know, that's comfy as hell. $100, not bad. Got plenty of sizes, 7 all the way to 14. Dang, a lot of Nike outlets, you guys. Not getting many supplies. So yeah, look, even on the other side right there, you got a bunch of MTs. Wow, that's just crazy to see, you guys. $100 for these. Witnesses, what the heck? They got some TB colorways of the PG4s. I don't know why the hell it's going for 110. I think because they don't want to sell it all out, because if they do, they're just going to have empty shelves. I think that's the game plan here. $90 for these. 70 for these. That's kind of what they should be at. The Oreo colorway of the Alpha Dunks. I remember when these came out. These came out at what, $180? Holy crap, dude! Dang, you get it for, what's that, $50-something? Holy moly! Yeah, and I think these are the newest colorways that just arrived here. They always have them at regular price, usually for a couple weeks, and then once they find out they don't sell, then they start marking them down. So those will get marked down soon enough. Flytrap 3s. Being given away. Kyrie low 3s. Okay. These are going for regular price, so what's up with that? Do get some dope boxes. All red boxes. Pretty cool. Jordan area. Jordan Aerospace 720s. Interesting colorway, man. It comes with like a bluish chrome. That's kind of interesting. But yeah, regular price. This was a quick strike, it looks like. 720 quick strike. Proto Reacts. Why not 0.3s? Got the Zoom Universe Flighties. Air Zoom BB NXT. We do got some more Proto Reacts right here. Proto React Z's. Mars 270s. Mars 270s. The always underrated Shox BB4s. Vince Carter jumped over a French dude over this, you guys. Well, not this colorway, but this shoe. Blazer low suedes. Like, this color was better, man. That suede is super nice. Janowski Canvas RMs. Janowski RMs. Got some charged slips right here, and then some charged canvas. Do got some Air Force Ones here. Go for retail though. This is the one with the mesh material. It's not all leather. It does have some mesh material on the side panel as well as the toe box right there. Retail game, man. I don't know what's up with that though. More Air Force Ones. These are the utility version. These are like extra tumbled leather. Leather's not bad. I don't think $110 for those. What? That's what's up. This is what the This is what they were doing at the retail stores, you guys. Wow, the drop types being given away. Oh my goodness, $30. Do you get 30% off? Is that $21? Holy camole. Do got some of the old school tailwinds. These are pretty dope. Tailwind 79s. Got the Stranger Thing version. Stranger Things. Did I say Stranger Things? Stranger Thing version of the tailwinds. These are pretty dope. Was a quick strike. Yeah, this you can rub off some of this material. You can see some of the denim that shows because that is what happens when you take some of this stuff off. Going for retail though, man. These will probably come down in price. Got some Air Max Plus, tailwinds, more tailwinds. 270s. I haven't seen 270s in forever. Then 270 Reacts. Got 3 more of these. The penultimate edition right here. And this is the last one. React 270. Air Max 90s right there. More Air Max 90s. Whoa, they got a decent selection of Air Max here. Whoa. Air Max 95s. More Air Max 95s. We saw this Air Max 95 a while ago. 80 bucks. Hell of a price. 2090s. More Air Max 2090s. Damn, the selection is amazing. Price is a little bit high, but selection amazing here. More 2090s. The Air Max 720 818s. These don't look bad, man. They're kind of growing on me, dude. The all black one I kind of like. The 720s. This is the all white. Not too shabby. More 270s. Element 55s. More of those. More of the same, but kind of different. These are the React Vision. 65 bucks. That's a hell of a deal, man. They started off at $140. Renew runs. Some of you guys like these. Going for dirt cheap. Material's a little bit harder than React, but I know some people like the harder midsole for running. So yeah, this going for hella cheap right here. These are the Odyssey Recliner 2s. So you got some Pegasus Turbos. I do love these. Don't love that price though. Don't love that price. We can find those for cheaper. I got mine for, I think I got my last one for like 40 bucks. It's all black. Not the Pegasus Turbo 2s. Slight difference. The laces are flat. The upper material's a little different, but yeah, $125. That's a little high. All right, we're gonna check out the women's sneakers, you guys. Can't neglect the women's section. Let's see what's up. We're in the size 9.5. Got the Vomero 14s going for $70. These are the Vapor X. Yeah, the Vapor X knits go for $120. That's a pretty good price because normally $170. Get that 30% out. Not too bad. Size 9.5. They got the 49ers colorway of the Pegasus Turbo 2s going for $100. See, that's what's up. $70 after the discount. That's what I'm talking about. Vomero 14s go for $100. Down to the 8.5s. Yeah, the heat's kind of gone down a little bit. Got these Zoom Gravities going for $65. Pegasus, I think I bought these for my niece like a year and a half ago. Pegasus 34s going for $55. You got these bad boys. The Odyssey Recliner 2s going for $50. Oh, what's this right here? Air Max 98s, size 8 go for $70. Pretty cool colorway. Pretty cool colorway, like a Raiders colorway. Perfect for Raiders fan. Go for $80. Go for $7, size 8. Dang, seeing a lot of the same stuff, you guys. That's all size 7.5 right there. Same stuff. Let's see, down to the 7s. $120 for these tailwinds. 6.5. Still got plenty of the Pegasus that I talked about. Air Max Correlates, size 7.5, going for $6. $60. Air Max 200, size 6.5, going for $60. Got some Renews. Those are going for $55. Got some React Visions up top, size 6, go for $79.99. All right, let's see what they got in the aisle. See if they got some heat in the women's section. I think this is a GS actually. Let's go to the women's section. Dude, got some of the Shocks right here. Got the Forrest Gump Cortezes. The Daybreaks right here. It's an interesting color combo, like a salmon and a light blue. Renews. The Lucent right here. Air Max 97s. Air Max 90s. React Vision. I'm a big fan of this color with a light blue color. Pretty dope. $100. Kind of steep. Air Max 98s. I love Air Max 98s. These are dope. Tailwinds. 2090s. More 2090s. What is this? Air Max 270 XX? What the heck is this? I've never seen that. Yeah, the 270 XX. What the heck? React 270s. Got quite a few of those. Price kind of going down. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Damn, we got empty spaces in the women's section too. Man, not much, you guys. Not much. I think we're gonna call it a day, guys.